Ever found yourself in a chaotic project, juggling tasks and deadlines across multiple devices? It's a common struggle, especially in today's mobile-first world. And if you're a ClickUp user, you've probably wondered, can I manage my projects on the go? Well, let's dive into that question today. Understanding ClickUp. Briefly explain what ClickUp is and its core features. Task management, project planning, collaboration tools, etc. Highlight its popularity and why it's a preferred choice for many. The need for a mobile app. Discuss the importance of having a mobile app in today's digital age. Emphasize the convenience and flexibility of accessing projects and tasks from anywhere. ClickUp for Android. A reality. Confirm that yes, ClickUp is indeed available for Android devices. Show a quick visual of the ClickUp Android app interface. Key features and functionality. Explore the key features available on the Android app. Task creation and management. Project overview and tracking. Collaboration tools. Comments, assignments, etc. Integrations with other apps. Google Calendar, Gmail, etc. Demonstrate how these features work in a practical setting. Performance and user experience. Discuss the app's performance, including speed, responsiveness, and stability. Share user reviews and feedback on the overall user experience. Comparison with other project management apps. Briefly compare ClickUp's Android app to other popular options, Asana, Trello, etc. Highlight unique features or advantages that ClickUp offers. Tips for effective use. Provide practical tips for using the ClickUp Android app effectively. Organizing tasks and projects. Utilizing notifications and reminders. Customizing settings for optimal workflow. Addressing common concerns. Address potential concerns or questions users might have. Offline functionality. Data security and privacy. Integration with specific tools or workflows. Conclusion. Recap the main points covered in the video. Reiterate the benefits of using ClickUp on Android. Encourage viewers to download the app and try it out for themselves. So there you have it. ClickUp is definitely available for Android, and it's packed with features to help you stay organized and productive. Don't wait any longer. Download the app today and experience the power of ClickUp on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.